This video chart presentation of Andy's Gold Corp brought to you by OTCShowcase.com. Andy's Gold's a pink sheet listed company trading our ticker AGCZ. Stock's made a real nice climb recently, surging from around a penny all the way up to touch almost 7 cents. Very bullish look to the chart right now. 50 and 200-day moving averages both channeling upward. Price per share holding over top of both those key moving averages. Even holding over the 10-day, this pink line in here, it's a short-term moving average that momentum traders will use for buy and sell points. MACD, of course, pushed real hard with that sort of movement. Retraced, just recently dropped a bullish cross as the 12 broke back through the 26 EMA. Importantly, holding over top of zero. That's something that I always look for in the MACD after a strong move and a retracement. PPO also still making some higher lows, trending upward, holding over top of zero. ADX has come back down to moderate levels, holding right around 30. It's not really giving any clear signals to direction at this point. Money flow index, it's a very nice look. Primarily holding the upper half of the indicator. To talk about many times, you see a big pull away like this, large amount of separation with 7 away from the 14 and 21. Look for that snap back, and both times that happened, pulled right back up, kept 14 and 21 in bull chart territory. Nice look at the accumulation distribution, solid upward trend, reiterated by the shaken money flow, which even over the course of this 9 months shows that buying pressure has been clearly outweighing selling pressure. Followers of the CCI would use the break of 100 as the buy point. Wouldn't be a sell until it broke back down through 100. It did pull back pretty hard, just like the full stow did when this stock came down, and some profit taking going on after this most recent run. But even with that pullback, CCI still in hold territory. Full stow still holding around 80, showing there's momentum in the play. And the tricks, it's a slow moving indicator, but it's even starting to flatten out. Looks like another bullish cross could be coming. RSIs, much like the MFI, holding the upper half. That's a bullish look to the momentum in the play. But it always comes down to the candles and what I'd be looking for. That support level right at around a nickel. I'd want to see that hold. On the retrace, stocks bounced off a bit twice and held. It was a firm area of resistance after the climb from a penny. And in classic TA fashion, when that resistance is broken, you want to see it hold as support. And that's what's going on, making this a technically sound chart at this point. I do see some more support down here around 425, but the nickel mark is more important to me because of it being a primary source of resistance. On any real deep retraces, I'd be looking for it to hold this 50-day moving average and that bottom support at 3.5 cents. To the upside, there's just not much resistance in the way, other than taking out that old top at 0.68. If it does, it's obviously back into breakout mode. Have to scale back even farther and find some historical prices on this to try and pinpoint some possible resistance points. But over the last year, it's a blue sky breakout sort of mentality. Volume is still decent in this, 1.2 million shares, so that's providing some liquidity in it. But as shown earlier on this week, in a breakout mode, you want to see volume come pouring in, and that's what I'd be looking for now if it's going to go up and try and take out that top. If it wanted to come back and sit down and continue to sit on this support level, at that point I just want to see volume drying up to show that any selling or profit taking is diminishing. I'd look for that surge off of that support level to take out the resistance. Of course, if that did happen, any pullback from there, in a perfect world, you see it hold that 7-cent mark as a new support level so it can continue to make higher highs and higher lows and hold the upward channel. Those are the type of things that I'd be looking for in the Andy's Gold chart. But as always, this is merely my interpretation. I'm not a financial consultant and strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit OTCShowcase.com to view the full disclaimer disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions on any material found on the website and/or video chart. No person employed by OTC Showcase is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching, and trade smart.